Text-based editing makes creating a rough cut as simple as copying and pasting text. Now we're delivering on your top requests. We've added filler word detection, making it easy to quickly delete words like and You can even filter by filler words. With bulk actions, you can quickly remove all pauses, filler, or anything else you don't need, all at once. Take control of your transcript with even more view options that will show you exactly what you need, including untranscribed sources, speakers, and pause length. And if you're working with multi-channel audio, you can now select individual channels or a mix for transcription. Create rough cuts faster with text-based editing in Premiere Pro.